Okay, so this is item number 15, which is a second full question, 11 marks. Question 1 coming from the 2019 VCAR exam. So item 15 covers A and B. So we've got this function, so I'm going to type it over here, x squared times e to the negative x squared. And press X key and make sure it comes out as you expect, and have a little look at it and see what it looks like as well. Okay, that's nice. So I've got to state the derivative. Okay, I can easily do that. Don't you dare do it by hand. Calculation, derivative with respect to x, and then you just write the answer. So f dash of x equals, it's 1 mark, so just negative 2x cubed minus 2x e to the minus x squared. Don't try and simplify it. You can if you like, you can write that instead. Doesn't really matter what you write, as long as they're all correct. State the stationary point of the graph at the origin. Well, it's a minimum. It's 1 mark. Minimum, local minimum is going to give you the mark. Find the maximum value of the function and the values of x for which the maximum value occur. Well, it looks as if the maximum value might be this value here. So I'm going to take my expression and I'm going to go interactive calculation fmax across all real numbers. And my maximum value is 1 on e, and it occurs at -1 and 1. So maximum is equal to 1 on e at x equals -1 and +1. And find the values of, let's slide this d for which this is always negative. So my d is going to be a vertical translation. So if it's always going to be negative, it needs to slide down, and it's got to slide down more than 1 on e. So d's got to be less than -1 on e for this to always be a negative value. Okay, so that's part A and part B.